How to add own songs in Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can add our own songs in Instagram stories or not. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Instagram and go ahead and select up a story for yourself. Once you've selected a picture or any media that you want to upload on your story and you want to add a music of your own. So you can just go ahead and tap on the music icon at the top. Once you find the music here, you'll be finding all of the options for the music available. When you head over to For You page, you'll be finding the music they have suggested you, or you can also browse music from here. So unfortunately, Instagram doesn't directly allow you to upload music files for your use in Instagram stories, but you can use up this audio that is available at the moment. You can select up the music that you like and select up it for 15 seconds, like wherever you want to place the music to. After that happened done, and you can add up the music. Otherwise, what you can do is you can upload a video or a photo using a music player in a background with a song that you like that you are playing. Or you can also use up a video editor to add a song to the video. Once it is added, go on the normal process of adding up a story, and that should probably post your own music as well. So that is it for now. This is the method you can apply up. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.